Hi guys and welcome to my channel. So ngayon tuturuan ko kayo kung paano nga ba mag-estimate ng cement, sand, and gravel. So ang reference natin sa estimate is yung mismong structure na nakikita nyo ngayon sa inyong screen. Okay, so let's start. Construction estimate for concrete. So requirements and procedure. So, concrete is composed of cement, sand, and gravel. So, ang structure na i-estimate natin ngayon are beam, column, slab, wall footing, and column footing. Then, sa procedure, i-compute muna natin yung volume ng lahat ng structural elements para ma-compute natin kung ilang cement, sand, and gravel nga ba ang kailangan. So, okay. Unahin na natin ang roof beam. So, sa roof beam, ang kailangan nating details para ma-estimate natin yung volume niyan is yung roof framing plan dahil dyan natin makikita kung asan yung mga roof beam. So, dito, kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung roof beam natin. So, lahat ng merong RB. So, kailangan din natin yung beam schedule. Ano ba yung size ng beam natin? So, dito is 200 mm by 300 mm. And schedule of columns, kailangan din natin yan. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung bakit. So, compute natin. So, roof beam, ito yung pag-compute ng volume, perimeter multiply by cross-sectional area. Ngayon, yung perimeter natin, so ito yung computation, galing yan dito. So, 5.3, less natin yung width ng column kasi yung 5.3 natin is total length. So, kailangan lang natin kung ano yung haba ng roof beam natin. So, kaya kailangan natin yung cross-section dimension or dimension ng column natin, which is 0.25 by 0.25. So, tatlong column yan. So, mapapansin nyo, 3.25 binilas natin. Then, multiply by 2. Kasi, two sides, left and right. Then, add natin ngayon yung front and rear. So, sa 5 meters less 0.25. Then, 0.25 again kasi dalawang column. Then, multiply by 2, front and back. So, ang perimeter natin is 18.1 meters. So, ngayon, ang kanyang cross-sectional area, since ang dimension natin is 0.2 by 0.3, is 0.06. So, ang volume natin ay 18.1 multiplied by 0.06. So, may volume tayo ng roof beam na 1.086 cubic meters. So, next is column. So, yung details ng column natin, makakuha natin yan dun sa mga elevation. So, dito ang ginamit yung example ay front elevation. And kailangan din natin yung details for columns, schedule footings. So, ito yung section drawing. So, estimate na natin yung volume. So, sa volume ng column, ang kailangan natin is yung quantity, height, multiply by cross-sectional area. So, ang quantity natin is 6 sets since 6 yung column natin. Then, yung height, 3.1 plus 0.8. So, ito yung 3.1 natin. Ngayon, nakabaon pa siya ng 0.8 meters. So, kailangan natin i-add. So, ang cross-sectional area is 0.25 by 0.25. So, para makompute ang volume, so ito yan, 6 sets, multiply by total height natin, 3.1 plus 0.8, and multiply by cross-sectional area. So, ang volume natin for column is 1.4625 cubic meters. So, hindi muna tayo mag-round off para makuha natin yung exact figures dun sa dulo. Kasi pagka nag-round up tayo sa simula pa lang, so lalaki na lalaki yung ating computation. So next is slab on grade. Slab on grade, ito yung slab na nakapatong doon sa lupa. Kasi ang tawag dun sa mga second floor natin is suspended slab. So ang kailangan natin para ma-compute yung volume ng slab on grade natin, ito, yung floor plan, and syempre, yung details ng SOG, yung thickness. So, dito, ang naka-reflect is 100 mm or 0.1 meters. So, estimate natin yung volume. So, volume is equal to floor area multiplied by slab thickness. So, sa pag-compute ng floor area, kailangan natin i-compute muna natin yung total area, yung 5.3 multiplied by 5. Then, less natin yung area ng bawat column. And area ng exterior walls and inner wall. So, total area is equal to 5 by 5.3 is equal to 26.5 square meters. And area ng column natin, 6 sets, multiply by 0.25 by 0.25. So, ang area ng columns na kailangan natin i-less is 0.375 square meters. Then, sa plan area ng wall, exterior, length times width. Ang width ng exterior walls natin is 0.125. Dahil dising ko, 5 inches yung size natin. So, madalas yun naman ang ginagamit sa exterior walls. Siyempre, depende pa rin sa design. So, ito yung computation natin. So, 5.3, ito pa rin. Less natin yung width ng column, 3.25, then multiply by 2, since left and right. Then, dun sa front and rear, 5 less mo ng 0.25, 0.25, and yung 0.9. Yung 0.9 galing dun sa door opening natin, itong D1. Then, multiply by 2 kasi same lang din naman sila, front and back. And, nga pala guys, yung back or rear, sa engineering terms, parehas lang yan. Then, yung wall thickness ng wall natin is 0.125. So, ang plan area for wall exterior is 2.0375 square meter. Ngayon, yung sa interior wall natin, ito yun, yung nasa CR, dahil ang size niyan is 4 inches lang. So, 0.1 lang ang width. So, ito yan, 1.63 plus 1.1 plus 0.03 multiplied by 0.1 is equal to 0.356 square meter. So, para makuha natin yung volume, so, total area, less natin yung area of columns, then plan area ng 5 inches na CHB and 4 inches na CHB, then multiply by thickness ng slab. So, ang volume natin is 2.373 cubic meters. Then, for wall footing, kailangan natin ng foundation plan para makita natin ano yung mga wall footing, syempre dimension, and section ng wall footing para makita kung gaano kalalim. And yung thickness ng wall footing mismo. So, sa computation, volume is equal to length multiplied by cross-sectional area. So, yung length natin, 9.1 plus 7.2. Kung maalala nyo, ito yung exterior walls natin. Then, itong 1.5 plus 1.4 and 0.75, ito yung interior walls. Plus 6 times 0.1. 6 na 0.1. Saan ba nanggaling yun? So, dito galing yun sa door opening. So, yan sa magilid na nung pintuan. So, hindi siya katapat mismo ng wall. Nag-extend tayo ng wall footing na 0.1 or 100 mm. So, ang total length natin is 20.6 meters. Then, ang volume natin, so 20.6 meters multiplied by cross-sectional area ng wall footing, which is 0.2 by 0.3. So, ang volume natin is 1.236 cubic meters. So, column footing. So, kailangan ulit natin ng foundation plan. Kung ilan yung column footing natin. So, dito, 6. So, yung section, given na rin. Kung gaano kalalim, gaano kakapal yung column footing natin. So, i-compute na natin yung volume. So, volume is equal to footing area multiplied by thickness. So, yung footing area natin, 6 sets yung column. So, yung size ng ating footing is 0.6 by 0.6. So, ang area niyan is 2.16. And yung thickness is 0.3 meters. So, ang volume natin, 2.16 multiplied by 0.3. Volume is 0.648 cubic meters. So, ngayon, i-compute natin yung summary and, syempre, para makompute natin yung cement, sand, and gravel na required. So, roof beam, yan yung na-compute natin kanina for column, slab on grade, wall footing, and column footing. So, ang total volume natin is 6.8055 cubic meters. So, ito yung reference natin doon sa computation ng cement, sand, and gravel. So, meron tayong mixture class, AA, class A, class B, class C, and proportion. So, sa tabulation natin, dalawa yung reference for cement. Pero normally, ang ginagamit natin dito sa Philippines is 40 kilograms. So, okay, compute natin. So, ang kailangan lang natin gawin dyan, yung volume, multiply natin kung anong mixture class yung gagamitin natin. So, para dito sa ating example or tutorial, ang gagamitin natin ay class A. So, ayan, yung ating computation. So, ito yung cement, sand, and gravel natin. Ito yung volume, multiplier. Yung multiplier natin, galing yan doon sa class A. So, itong 9, ito yan, galing sa column ng cement bag for 40 kg. Then, itong sand, 0.5. Gravel is 1.0. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung multiplier natin sa sand and gravel, kahit anong mixture class yan, parehas lang na 0.5 and 1.0. Okay, so compute na natin. So, multiply natin yung volume dun sa 9, which is 6 for cement, 6.8055 multiplied by 9. So, ang number of bags natin is 62 bags. So, niround up ko na lang since wala naman tayo mabibili na hati or kalahati. Then, yung sand natin, 6.8055 multiplied by 0.5, so 3.4 cubic meters. Then, sa gravel, 6.8055 multiplied by 1, so 6.8 cubic meters. So, yun. Ganun lang ang pag-estimate ng cement, sand, and gravel para sa konkreto na requirements nyo, pwedeng sa bahay nyo or kung ano man yung balak nyo gawin. So, yun guys. For concrete pa lang yan. So, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na uploads natin. Dahil mag-upload pa rin ako ng estimate continuation itong tutorials, and mag-upload din ako ng sample for designs and other related matters regarding engineering and construction and mathematical tutorials. So okay, thank you for watching and see you on my next uploads.